This tutorial review will show you how to use mood tracking on iPhone iOS 17. First of all, open the Health app. Once you are in Health app, tap on Browse and select Mental Wellbeing. And here, scroll down until you find these logging your emotions and moods option. Tap on Get Started. Tap on Begin. Log in emotion or mood. How you feel right now. You can select how you have felt overall today. So I'm selecting this one. Tapping on Next. Now choose how you have felt overall today. You can select from here using this slider. Tap on Next. Then select here what best describes this feeling. And here select any option. You can enable reminders from here. And here is my mood result. So that's how you will be able to use mood tracking on iPhone. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe Tutorial River. See you in the next video.